The holidays are here, and that means delicious meals with family and friends. But who has time for complicated recipes? This year, let the Ninja Foodi help you create a show-stopping ham that's both incredibly easy and unbelievably tasty. With just a few simple ingredients and your trusty Ninja Foodi, you can have a perfectly glazed ham ready in minutes. We'll be using a pre-cooked ham, so all the hard work is already done. Just add a touch of sweetness, a hint of spice, and let the Ninja Foodi work its magic. First, score the ham, creating a diamond pattern for that classic look. Then brush on our simple glaze, a blend of brown sugar, spices, and a touch of fruit juice. Place the ham in your Ninja Foodi. Set the temperature and let it cook to perfection. Once it's cooked, let the ham rest for a few minutes before slicing. Serve it with your favorite holiday sides. And watch your guests rave about the juicy, tender, and flavorful ham. It's the perfect centerpiece for any holiday feast. So ditch the stress this holiday season and let the Ninja Foodi do the work. For the full recipe and more delicious holiday meal ideas, visit ninjafoodtech.com. Happy holidays! Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content.